Assalamualaikum. Hi. Good evening, guys. How are you all? Today, luckily, I'm going out somewhere. So I thought, let me do a short vlog. Um, I know my vlogs are very boring. लेकिन मैंगलोर में ऐसी कोई प्लेस है नहीं कि you go roam around. There are some certain places where you can just go and eat. Restaurant, there is nothing else like excitement. इंशाल्लाह अगर हम कहीं बाहर गए घूमने तो definitely I'll make some traveling vlogs. फिलहाल तो प्लीज़ इस बोरियत के साथ में एडजस्ट हो जाओ. And I would like to subscribe all my subscribers for bearing me, tolerating me, and watching my nonsense. Love you all, guys. Dekhe if I'm able to cover up something today. Okay. Hope you guys are having a nice day. My day was very busy. I had my shoes. I kept my shoes to keep my camera there. You know this India? Ulva's snow. हमारी रूटीन जो है ना कोई एक्साइटिंग नहीं होती. यू नो व्हाट, बाहर गए खाए बस इतना ही. तो बोरिंग लोग चले ब्लॉग बनाने.
तो आज की शाम मेरे आंट के नाम. तो वी हैड बीन देयर. आई हैड कॉफ़ी एंड वर्मिसेली एंड देन उसके बाद हम फिर रिता को पिक करने गए. सो वी हैव डिनर एट ओशन पर्ल.
Oh, sure. Yeah. Came too late. Too close by 8 o'clock. उसका सब कुछ सब लोग इतना लेट. Came to ocean. We are actually late today. These two people who are sitting in front of us are not interested in coming in the video. What am I supposed to do? My family is not willing to come in the video. So you will have to look at me alone always. So that's biscuit roti and Rita ordered for bori bhaji and me and mom shared one plate biscuit roti. Yeah, it was nice. Good. Tasty. I then felt like eating sanjeera. the camera. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Take care and loads of love and hugs to all of you. Love you, miss you all. Take care.